Hello guys, today in this video I want to show you how to use WhatsApp on a laptop. First thing you need to do when you download WhatsApp, go to WhatsApp status. Now press WhatsApp web. As you scan it to the scanning code went to the laptop. As you can see, since I did it, it worked to me. You can chat, you can record a voice message, you can send a video, you can load a video from the person who sent it from you. If you want to log out also, you scroll down your Android. As you can see here, you see WhatsApp web. You press it, log out from all device. It's Windows 7 I'm using, so which is now currently Windows 7. If I want to deactivate it, log out. When I log out, as you can see here, it's not there. If I want to log in it, I will scan it again. As you can see, WhatsApp web back. When I scan it, it will come instant. You see, I have already scanned it, and I can text. Whenever I text from the phone, it will go to the computer also. Here I'm coming to write hello. Hello, HELLO. As you can see, when I say I wrote hello. As you can see there is hello. So I hope it was for you. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share with your friend. Bye.